Morning, dear students. How are you? It seems to me you are all well in your house. Today, we shall start a session from English for today, class 6, lesson 9, section E. At first, I shall say to you that I am Himanshu Vishwas would like to give you this lesson from section 9, section E, lesson 9. In the very beginning of the lesson, I shall request you to open your textbook, lesson 9, section E, page number 30. Page number 30. Okay. Now read out the text. At first, read out the text. Our topic is health is wealth. Health is wealth, and section is E. A proverb says health is wealth. To keep healthy is to keep free from disease and anxiety. Good health is proper functioning of all body organs. It is also feeling well both in body and in mind. People in good health are active, careful and happy. If you are healthy, you can be happy and can help others in society as well. To keep in good health, we should be careful about hygiene. The rules and practice of keeping good health are called hygiene. We must practice the rules of hygiene, proper food and nutrition, physical exercise, rest and sleep. Cleanliness and proper medical care are essential for good health. Some important rules of good personal health are as follows. Balanced diet. Our food should be contain correct proportion of carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals and water. Eat. Second, be personal hygiene. We should follow the personal health practice such as wash your hand before eating. And this is very important at the time of corona period. Bathe regularly and water clean clothes. And wear clean clothes. Brush your teeth twice regularly. Fourth, do not let your nails grow long. Cut them regularly. Wash your feet and hands before going to bed. Number 6, cleaning household. We should keep our household and environment clean. D, taking clean food and water. Our food should be fresh, clean and properly cooked, and water should be pure. E, taking regular exercise. You should take part in games and sports and take physical exercise regularly. F, taking regular sleep and rest. We should sleep properly and take proper rest. Now, I shall give you some important vocabs which is very essential for understanding this text. Open your khatas and ready your pencils. Please. Proverb. Bengali meaning proverb. Second, wealth. Bengali meaning সম্পদ। ফাংশনিং কাজ করা। বেঙ্গল মিনিং কাজ করা। কেয়ারফুল সতর্ক। এসেনশিয়াল ক্লিনলিনেস পরিচ্ছন্নতা। These are the most important vocabs from this text. And now I shall give you some grammatical structure which is very important for this text. Present indefinite tense. Subject This is the most important grammatical sequence in this text. Now, we shall try to answer the open-ended question section E1. E1 page number 31. You will ready your khatas and pens for write down the answer of the open-ended question. First question, what do we mean by hygiene? Bengali meaning আমরা পরিচ্ছন্নতা বলতে কি বুঝি? At the very beginning of the text, in the second passage, first line, to keep in good health, we should be careful about hygiene. Second number, line number second, the rules and practice of keeping good health are called hygiene. The rules and piece of keeping health are called This is the answer of the first question. What do we mean by hygiene? আমরা hygiene বলতে কি বুঝি? And the answer is the rules and practice of keeping good health are called hygiene. The question number 2. Question number 2. What are essential for good health? What are essential for good health? ভালো স্বাস্থ্যের জন্য কি প্রয়োজন? ভালো স্বাস্থ্যের জন্য কি প্রয়োজন? Second last line. Prefer good food and nutrition, physical exercise, rest and sleep, cleanliness and proper medical care are essential for good health. Now, para number second last, write down the answer of the second question. Proper food and nutrition exercise, rest and sleep, cleanliness, and proper medical care are essential for good health. Okay, what is good health? What is good health and what are essential for good health? Proper food and nutrition, physical exercise, rest and sleep, cleanliness and proper medical care are essential for good health. Now we shall try to answer the question number 3. What do we mean by balanced diet? সুষম খাদ্য বলতে আমরা কি বুঝি? Page number 31. Some important rules of good personal health are as follows. Number A is the answer of the question number 3. Write down the balanced diet from your textbook. Balanced diet, our food should be contain correct proportion of carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals and water in it. So now we shall write down the answer of the question number 3. The food which correct proportion of carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals and water are called balanced diet. The food which contain correct proportion of carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, minerals and water are called balanced diet. Okay, thank you. The answer of the question is end. Now you will write down the home task. From your home you will write down the answer of the person. What is personal hygiene? What is personal hygiene? What is What is personal hygiene? And what should we to keep body? Okay, you will answer these two questions from your home. See you again in the next class. Okay, thank you. You will be happy with your family.